how you can crush it or get really great results with Google pay-per-click ads and affiliate marketing. As you watch this video, right? How you can scale Google pay-per-click ads as a beginner, maybe someone who has already tried affiliate marketing or your own business promoting your own products with Google pay-per-click ads. Okay, so in this video, it's for both affiliates on ClickBank and people who own their own business. Okay, so let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right? The first thing is this: if we can identify the problem, we can also fix the problem. Okay, so let's go straight into it. Why I love Google pay-per-click ads? The reason is simple. Okay, as you can see over here, people who go on Google, they are buyers. They have buyer's intent. So if you're promoting any products on ClickBank, you should know that there are only two reasons why people go on Google. And this is to get educated or to buy the product. Simple as that, okay? They are in the solution seeking state. So as you see over here on my screen right now, right? And please pay attention until the end. You can see how to get rid of my back pain, how to lose weight, how to get better at investments, how to do this, how to do that, right? They're looking for solution to what? To their pains and problems, okay? So you need to have the right message to the market match with Google pay-per-click ads. This is strictly very important. Now, as you can see over here, right? When I go to Google pay-per-click ads, and personally, I'm spending thousands of dollars a day on different ad campaigns, not just for my students, my clients, but also for myself. As you can see over here, right? With the bidding strategy on Google, we want to focus on conversion value. My goal is, once we start running Google ads, let's say with $5 to $10 a day, we test. We are not split testing, because if any guru told you how to split testing, it just simply means they don't know what they're talking about. It means they don't know their audience on a deeper psychological level, which is very important, okay? Google ads is not about IT, software, AI, no. Not at all. Google pay-per-click ads, it's all about having the right buyer's intent, okay? So you can see, we target conversion value. We go by conversion value. That's our focus, right? You can see one of our campaigns over here, right? Now, very cheap clicks, small budget. Why? Because we know our audience very well. Of course, you can pay $5, even $20 per click, but it depends what kind of lead generation offers you're promoting, or insurance, auto insurance, whatever you're doing. Okay, you have to know your numbers. Now over here, okay, why many people are losing money with affiliate marketing or running Google ads is because they're looking for curiosity clickers. Okay, and it's not your fault. Maybe you are promoting ClickBank products, you bought $3,000, $5,000 courses, and then the guru told you that you have to make a weird, ugly image on your landing page, blog, or website to attract the audience, which is a big lie. Why? Because if you have many clicks, yes, maybe you're a newbie, you think, great, I got many clicks, but you get 0 sales, no conversions. And you think, heck, this is a scam. And no, it's not. You're just doing it the wrong way, the outdated way. So you see, it's all about buyers' clicks and buyers' intent. So at the end of the day, you need to have less clicks. You can have less clicks and get more sales. So consistent sales, it's what matters in 2026. So buyer's intent, okay? Now let me show you over here. If you see here, we focus on Google ad campaign, creating campaign without guidance, right? So I'm professional. When I'm working with my clients, with my students one-on-one over the Zoom call, we set up campaign for sales, right? Basically for conversions. Now, let me show you how this looks like with Google. Okay, you can see over here. Google Ads, it's all about problem-aware audiences, okay? Solution-aware audiences. So they're already actively searching for solutions to their pains and problems. That's the main thing, right? They're ready to take action now. Once they see your Google ad, as you can see over here, right? They're searching in there in the searching mode. They search on Google, on laptop, on phone. Okay, for example, how to manifest happiness now. They see your ad on ClickBank, ClickBank offer, right? And then they purchase once they go through quiz funnel. Personally, I love quiz funnels because it's all about having functional quiz funnel, meaning functional questions that leads them to low and high emotional states. It's very important, okay? Knowing psychology of marketing when you're promoting these offers. And you can see over here, look, okay? All these are mistakes that newbies are making. And once you have someone who can show you one-on-one, step by step in 2026 over the Zoom call, how you can go from zero to hero to actually have sustainable Google ad campaign as an offer owner, as a businessman, business person, or affiliate on ClickBank, it doesn't matter. It's the same system, okay? You can see we get it done over the Zoom call. This is me. It's one of my Spanish students from Spain. English is her second language, so there is no excuse for you watching this video, right? From Australia over here, right? So that's my steps. 3 steps only. 3 easy, simple steps. Google ad, sending to quiz funnel, which is really functional, not just any quiz funnel, okay? And then going to ClickBank Video Sales Letter, VSL, or ClickBank Sales Letter, right? And that's it. You get money as an affiliate without making videos, without having to spend lots of time, right? 20 to 30 minutes a day. You can see another student over here, a female, a woman, right? On Google Ads, she go from $0 to $300 in ClickBank affiliate commissions. Why? Because we do it one-on-one. In 2026, it's all about having an edge, an advantage. If you're just buying outdated old courses, of course you cannot expect great results, right? You can see how this works in action. Now, as you watch this video, if you want to have results in 2026 as a beginner, maybe you have never had success or sales online, I know how it feels because I used to be there before. Now I'm thankful to being ClickBank super affiliate, living my great lifestyle. As you can see, I traveled to almost 70 countries, 70 countries, okay? Not to brag, but to show you what is possible, what life is possible once you take action, once you stop making excuses for yourself and your family, okay? You can see you can reach out to me on my Instagram, yes, my personal cell phone number on WhatsApp, my email, and even Facebook Messenger. So everything is in the description below, all the links to my one-on-one connection, and you can see over here my Instagram, okay? So only reach out to me if you're serious, if you're action taker, and if you actually want results in 2026.